Welcome to our channel. Are you excited about your upcoming trip but concerned about unexpected situations that may arise? Don't worry. In this video, we have compiled a list of the top 10 travel insurance offers that will provide you with peace of mind during your travels. We have carefully ranked these offers based on coverage, affordability, and customer satisfaction. So, without further ado, let's dive into the best travel insurance options available. And that concludes our list of the top 10 travel insurance offers. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in making your travel insurance decision. Remember, having the right travel insurance can make a world of difference during your trip. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and recommendations. Safe travels. Insurance Offer 1. Comprehensive coverage for all travel needs. Details about Insurance Offer 1. 1. Comprehensive coverage. Coverage for medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost or delayed baggage, and more. 2. 24/7 customer support for immediate assistance during your trip. 3. Flexible policy options to suit your specific travel requirements. 4. Highly positive customer reviews and high claim settlement ratio. 5. Affordable pricing plans for individuals, families, and frequent travelers. Insurance Offer 2. Budget-friendly protection with great benefits. Details about Insurance Offer 2. 1. Cost-effective travel insurance without compromising on coverage. 2. Coverage for medical expenses, trip interruptions, and emergency medical evacuation. 3. Quick and hassle-free claim settlement process. 4. Add-on options available for adventure activities or extreme sports. 5. Reliable customer service ensuring a smooth experience. Insurance Offer 3. Tailored coverage for seniors with pre-existing conditions. Details about Insurance Offer 3. 1. Specialized travel insurance for seniors with pre-existing medical conditions. 2. Wide-ranging coverage for emergency medical expenses, trip cancellations, and more. 3. No medical examination required for enrollment. 4. Affordable premium rates considering the specific needs of senior travelers. 5. Dedicated customer support for personalized assistance. Insurance Offer 4. International travel insurance for nomads and digital travelers. Details about Insurance Offer 4. 1. Extensive coverage for long-term travelers and digital nomads. 2. Protection against medical emergencies, trip delays, and baggage loss. 3. Covers various destinations globally, including remote locations. 4. Additional benefits for lost laptops, theft of digital equipment, and cyber theft. 5. 24/7 emergency helpline for immediate support. Insurance offer 5. Family-friendly coverage for a peaceful vacation. Details about insurance offer 5. 1. Comprehensive coverage for the entire family, including children. 2. Protection for medical emergencies, trip interruptions, and medical evacuation. 3. Family plans available at discounted rates. 4. Additional benefits such as coverage for pregnancy-related complications. 5. Excellent customer reviews and reputation for customer satisfaction. Remember, having the right travel insurance is crucial to ensure a worry-free trip. Consider these top-rated offers and choose the one that best suits your travel needs. Don't leave your journey to chance. Protect yourself and your loved ones with reliable travel insurance. Safe travels.